It's down. He kicks. He throws. Now here's the ball driving towards the hole. Dives, and he's got it. And the throw is in. And the first and oh, man, what a play.
Look at that on the ground and before the first got him. If you've seen that, you know you gotta run even faster than him. Oh, for Colin. The confidence to go around.
With a career slugging percentage under .410. Checked his swing, but there's a swing and a liner to right center. As it will, in fact, as you see, go all the way to the wall. Not in time of the play as he's able to score easily. And there was basically no play as he's easily safe at third.
Mama, this ain't good.
They don't want to go
This ain't
away.
good, mama, this ain't good. This ain't good, mama, this ain't good.
Johnny's having a great game tonight. He just hit a triple, and that breaks more than one of the triple records for one game.
2 outs, runner on third. Fastball just misses. One ball, no
I'm still
strikes.
down by 3 because I got another run.
He's at the bat for 1 out.
Oh my, we put them down by 1.
Up and away. Here's the 1.
Come on. No. God dang it. No.
Very high and deep into right center field. And as you see, it's off the wall on a hop.
From out at second.
Play at second, and he is safe as he's able to slide in.
He decides to
So
go deep first. His second base is going under a small pot of dust in the process.
Well, I think it's always wise to slide. You know it's going to be a close play there. Swinging a roller towards the hole. But a tough Tigers come out victorious here, Joe. And these fans are going to head home happy. The home team gave them the happy ending. Well, he should be happy.
If you wouldn't have hit that into the farthest part of the ballpark, that would have been out no matter what. That was crushed. It like hit the corner almost, but... Okay guys, I'll end it there. Subscribe to become a potato today. Potatoes are awesome. Me and my friend Gavin at Under Films.
Well, he made just one mistake.
We love potatoes, so
I'll tell you,
subscribe to become a potato today.
It just makes the whole staff that much stronger. And when you got a guy
Like,
throwing
comment,
strikes like he was,
subscribe.
it's an easy
Bye.
decision.
So that just about
Favorite.
does it for
Bye.
us. For my